morning, everybody. It's another gorgeous day in the beautiful Ole Valley, and we just got a nice big shipment in from Free Spirit, and I peeked ahead of time. I know I normally don't do that, but I did, because I wasn't sure what was going to be in the box. And lo and behold, we have Tim Holtz's collection called Provisions, and oh, this is Alchemy, actually. And this fabulous fabric we've been waiting for a very, very long time. But you can see the possibilities of this like inky, stainy, watery, fabulous color. This one is called Intrigue, right? So let's go on. We have lots to show you this morning. This is Radiant, also called from the Alchemy collection. Isn't that wonderful? I think I need to make a pumpkin out of this, don't you? And we have a gorgeous fuchsia color. Let's see what we're calling it. We are calling it Enchanted, I think. Enamored, excuse me, I was close. Really pretty. The nice thing about Free Spirit is their blenders go with all of the other collections, and this does not disappoint either. This one is called Opulent. Isn't it wonderful? Just a beautiful royal purple with a bit of fuchsia in there too. Really nice. Okay, on to the next box. Okay, box number 2 of the fabulous new collections from Tim Holtz. This is Provisions 2. So this beautiful fabric is a little more tone on tone. It's got little distractions, little specks of black just to give it some texture and interest. Beautiful ruddy rusty color. This one is called Sienna. It looks like we're back to Alchemy. I love the name of this one. This one is called Elixir. Isn't that great? Fabulous, fabulous blue. This one is called Tranquil. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is back to the Provisions 2. Again, this is something we've been waiting for quite a while now. This is a beautiful, deep, tealy turquoise. Absolutely wonderful. I know 1,000 places I can put this. And another one that's slightly different. This is called Patina. Really nice. Ooh, ooh. Who needs eggplant? This one is called Vineyard. Gorgeous grapey color, huh? And slightly darker. This one is oh, I got 2 of Vineyard. I must have plans for this. This one's Vineyard too. Okay, and on to the next box. This is the final box of our shipment from Free Spirit of Tim Holtz's Provisions and Alchemy 2. This one is Patina. And I'm sorry, this is Provisions 2, and the color is Sienna. Really nice, deep, rusty color. I also have Provisions. This is a wonderful smoky gray. That has become a very popular neutral now, and a wonderful background. If you need a background color that's just a little darker, but not too dark and not too light, this is it. So this one is called Onyx. Oh boy, this is a really dark, rich blue. It is indigo, and it is fabulous. This is a really kind of glowy dark color. This again would make a wonderful accent, a great frame, a wonderful background. Super good. And then we're back to the Provisions, and this one is called Sage. Kind of looks like a lot of the leaves outside right now that are just starting to turn. Isn't it great? Ooh, I see elephants. This one is called Stone, and you can see why. Another great Provisions by Tim Holtz. And then we have Sepia. So this is kind of a middle of the road Brown, really good for leaves, really good for animals, all kinds of things. Super nice. And then I got another bolt of indigo because I know my people and you guys are going to come get it right away. So be sure to stop by Ladyfingers, shop us online at ladyfingersewing.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where these videos live, and check us out on Facebook. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.